Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make your own YouTube channel. So we are here in the Gmail account. This is the same Gmail account which we have made on our Android in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, the link is in the description. So go and check out that video so you will learn that how you can make your Gmail account from your Android phone. Okay, so and especially that process doesn't need your verification of your number, your phone number and all that stuff, so that is very easy for you to make a Gmail account. So back to the point, what we are going to do here is log into your Gmail account, whatever account you want to link with your YouTube channel. Okay, so one more thing I want to tell you, that if you have any AdSense account, so make sure to use the same email address. You can use another email address, but the same address will help you more. Otherwise you have to link that with your another email address. That will be a lengthy process for you. So if you want to make a YouTube channel, try to make a new Gmail account which will help you to make your AdSense and YouTube on the same platform. So now open another tab and search YouTube. So youtube.com. Now you can see it needs a sign in. So sign in here. You have to sign in with the same account. So this is login here, so it is signed in with the same account. So what you can do is to click here, click on your channel. So it asks you to make your channel because you don't have any channel here, so it asks to create a channel. So what is this? This is a channel named, which we have named our Gmail as a channel fun. So the same name appeared here. You can edit this by writing any other name, but I want to take this as a test channel, so create channel. It is loading. So your channel has been created. This was so easy. Now what you have to do is go to the Creator Studio. Now you can see this is your channel name, this is your email, and you have 0 subscribers as this is a new channel. So this is your YouTube setting, this is your Creator Studio. Go to Creator Studio. So these are some guidance for you. Here you can upload your video. These are all these options: dashboard, videos, analytics, and all this stuff. You can go and check. From here you can go to Studio Classic, which was the previous version of the Studio. This is the Studio Beta, and what you can do is go to your channel, and first thing you need to do is to customize your channel. So go to this option, customize your channel. Okay, so go to settings. All these things are checked, and go to save. You don't have to do anything, you just have to open the setting, and what you can see here, the home, videos, and all options are appeared. When we opened it, only a home option was there. So you need to do is go to the settings, don't do anything here, just leave it in the way it is, and if it is like unchecked, you have to check it. Just this is what you have to do. Now save that, and these are the options which you will see. So go to about. You can add your channel description. So I'm adding a channel description. So you can write whatever you want to write. So this is done. You can add upon your email here. So that if anyone wants to contact you, they can contact you on your email address for any sort of advertisement or any other stuff. You can add your location here. You can add some links here of your social media and all this stuff. You need to add that. So this is a link title. You can add here Instagram and like the URL here, www.instagram.com/beauty_donna. So done. So if someone will click on your link, this page will direct the person to your Instagram account like this. So these were the basic settings what you have to do, and the thing which you can do is you can add more links here, like go to this and add here more links. You can add as much links as you want. So I don't want to add more. You can add your Facebook, Twitter and more accounts here. So what you can do more here, and those accounts will be displayed here. So you can add your channel icon here. It will lead you to your Google. So you can upload a photo from here and the photo will be uploaded here. It will take some time in uploading. So these are your details. You can edit your channel name from here, this pencil button. You can edit your channel name, but you can't edit it on regular basis. It gives a restriction of time period which you can do like once in 3 months, like something which you can do and changing your name. So this was about this customization. You need to add your channel art. So you can add here and you can upload any photo here and apply your channel art. The more things you can do is to explore these all tabs. So you can see your uploads here. As this is a new channel, there are no uploads, but you can upload. When you will upload your videos, these will be shown here. These will be the playlist. So you can create a new playlist from here and add your videos in that. These are the channels. If you have featured any channel, this channel will be linked here. Discussion, you can add any discussion here. This is the same about, and you can feature any channel from here, add channels. Okay, so this is the video manager. These are the subscribers and this is the video manager. So it is opening, so it will take you to the same Studio Beta. This is Google Studio Beta, YouTube Studio Beta. So these are the videos and these are the analytics. So when you will upload a video, all settings will be shown here. So this was all about a new YouTube channel. And one more thing which you can do is go to this Creator Studio Classic, the last option, and go to the classic version. This will be more easier for you to understand. It gives more simple details like clicking on this channel option. So this is your channel status. Your channel is verified. Your copyright status is 0, like your copyright strikes and all that stuff, because you haven't uploaded any video yet. So this is the monetization option. It is showing you eligible, but you are not eligible obviously. But when you will enable it, it will ask you for your AdSense account, so you can link your AdSense account by starting this and completing this process. Then it will show you your minutes watch time and your subscribers here. When you will complete the 4,000 minutes watch time and 1,000 subscribers, then you will be eligible for monetization review. So these are more options which you can explore, and there are more things which you can do here. These were the basics which I have told you, by which you can start your YouTube channel and upload your first video. If you are on a window like this or somewhere else, how you can upload a video is this plus option. You can directly upload your video or go live. So upload your video. So it will lead you to this page. Click on this and choose your file. You can directly drag and drop the file here. And the second thing what you have to do is to take your privacy on public. If it will be unlisted, your video will not be shown in the search results, and if it will be private, it will not be shown to anyone. So this was all about the YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below, so that I could consider that and help you more. Thanks for watching. Bye.